We're all home together on a Tuesday. The whole family is here in our house. Why are we in our house on a Tuesday? All the whole family. What's happening, Henry? I know. You know what that means. Pooping difficulties. Wow, it looks cold out there. This storm has a name. The storm is called Stella.
Stella!
Stella is our March 14th blizzard. So that's kind of it. We're having a snow day again. I think they're saying 12 to 24, but it just depends. It's definitely probably about a foot at least. You ready, honey?
Yep.
Henry's thinking, oh crap. Oh, not again. Oh, damn it. It's going to be so cold out there. Oh, I got to pee and poop. What if I got to go outside? It's so cute. Oh, seriously. Here we go again. Hurry up, Henry. You're gonna have to go fast, friend. Oh, it's hurting my face. Oh my goodness. No, I'm outside and it's really miserable out here and cold and it's snowing really heavy. Everything's basically completely shut down. John's home, schools are all closed, everybody's home. Everybody that I know is home. I hope, because it's pretty dangerous. See, they're saying 24 inches. Ah! We'll see if they're right. Henry, you're hiding behind my laptop. Okay, Daniel. I don't know what noise that was coming from you, but we're coming over to see what it is. I do have to get up, my friend. Why are the animals in the shower? What are you guys doing? Theo, are you okay? Can we not go in the shower? Henry, he wants to be in here. Come on, Henry. Come on. They're playing with each other in the shower. Guys. What are you doing? Oh, come on. Out, out, out. Everybody out of the shower. Guys. Hello? Hold on. Go in there. Go on. Come on, Theo. Come on. Henry, leave him alone. He was restless.
What? What are you talking about?
They were playing in the shower.
We were going to get married and what? You were going to leave your wife?
We're back in here. You comfy? Stay in there. Stay snuggled. Stay snuggled. It's that kind of a day. It's really windy outside. The biggest, hardest part of all this is having to take Henry out to go potty and having to shovel and stuff. In other words, going outside while it's blowing and it's very cold and icy and snowy. So I guess they said we're getting more ice line than snow, so maybe not 2 feet of snow, maybe like 1. I don't know. Still coming down. It's supposed to come down all day, like until tonight, I guess. Who knows? March 14th, we're having a nice big snowstorm. Yeah, it's kind of late for a snowstorm, isn't it? Well, I guess it can happen. It can happen. Bill was up really early, so I was kind of hoping he would sleep. But he was in his chair and he looked like he was sleeping. Now he's awake. Stuff. But I have to sit down myself and drink a coffee. Come on, Henry. Let's do it. Come on. I know. Snow is like really heavy. Feels like heavy sand. Henry, we're not going to make it very far here. Holy crap. Come on. Good job, Thomas.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
I know, you worked really hard. Sarah made your brownies. Come on, Henry. They're out here working all day. It's still snowing out. Still snowing out. There's John. Oh, he's gonna maybe make you a path, Henry. Oh boy, is that cold. I had to turn away. You don't want to, you're afraid? You don't want to go? You want to go walking? Look at how thick it is. He can hardly get through it. It's like sand. The path is officially deeper than Henry is tall. Oh, look, Daddy made a path this way. Look, Hen. Oh, he did a nice path for you. It was so nice of him. Okay, we'll go this way. One to the wood pile. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Oh, no. So you're going to pick your brush up again?
Where are you seeing that?
All right, you're right. Judy just texted me that. That's why I said it. I didn't even know. Daniel, want the, you want, hold on. I can't do this with one hand. I need to help you. You need to hold the brush. Hold on. Let's get a different color. This looks like we're making an ocean scene. Do it. Good.
You missed the dance party vlog.
What? What are you doing?
He said don't blast my speakers.
Getting ready for the snow.
Can you like put one on your arm? I have